guys.
Woohoo!
We have a ice cream one. We have a candy one. And we have a bakery one. Which one should we open first?
We're on our break in between theme parks.
Which one do you want to open first? The ice cream one? Okay, ready? It's a frozen treat. Let's see.
What is it?
Oh, it's just like real ice cream. We gotta open it. Take it out. What is it? It's Maleficent ice cream. Yummy. Show it to Dada.
Yummy.
Look at that Maleficent ice cream.
Whoa.
Parker, smell it. What's that smell like? It smells like ice cream. Which one next? All right. That was our Maleficent. So you could have gotten Maleficent ice cream, Lotso ice cream, the Snake Ka. You could have got Hades, Oogie Boogie, or Pain and Panic. So these are all villains in the ice cream box.
I think I may have to collect all of them.
I know. But you can't tell what's what. All right, Parker, what's next? Do you want to do bakery or this one? Or candy or bakery? Oh, you want Tango to open it? Okay, while Tango opens that one, I'm going to open up the sweet treats.
What are the possible options?
So this one you could get, see there, Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Chip, Dale, Goofy, or Pluto.
Goofy.
Oh, I hope.
Come on, Goofy.
If we don't get Goofy, we may have to get another one. Okay, you ready? Parker, Tango, are you going to help me open this one? Yeah. All right, come over, Tango. This one's a little bit harder of a box to open. Big Bird's going to help me too. Okay, what is it? What is it? Take it out. What is it? It is... Smell him. Smell him. He smells like chocolate. Yeah. Is he tasty too? All right, so he is actually dark chocolate ganache truffle is what he is. All right, Dada's gonna do the bakery one with Parker. What are our options?
Minnie, Mickey, Stitch, Baymax, Eeyore, Winnie the Pooh, or Mystery.
Ooh.
I would like Baymax Marshmallow.
I want mystery. All right, Parker. Marshmallow. What is it, Parker? Take it out. What is? Oh, it's Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
Silly old bear. Oh, bother. You threw the Winnie the Pooh? Let's take a look at him. He is cute. What is he supposed to be, Chris? A cinnamon roll?
Mm-hmm. Oh, butter.
Take a smell.
Oh, yes.
Let's take a smell. Ooh, yummy. All right, for our first time ever, this is what we got. However, I think we're going to buy more tonight. Ooh, this is dangerous. All right, Munchlings are also here in California Adventure, so we're going to get another one of each. Thanks, Bing Bong. What is it? What is it?
Red.
Ooh, what's in here, Parker?
Red.
You got a red one? Parker, what's in the bag? Oh! Pull one out. Pull it out. Which one? Which one did you get? Oh! Ooh, do you want to open that? Yeah? Okay,
It's empty.
it's not empty. Let's open it. Ready? Here you go. Here. Look. Ice cream treat. Ice. Oh! What's in it? What is it? Oh my goodness, what is it? It's blue ice cream. Let's see. It's Hades. Oh, you're feeding him some snacks? He's so cute. Look at his little eyeball. Hi, Parker. I'm Hades. What's your name?
Oh.
Oh. Which color? Yellow or pink?
How about Chico?
All right, give it to Dada.
You.
Get on the couch. All right, what's it gonna be? We're just hoping it's not Winnie the Pooh. What is it? What is it? What is it? It is. Ooh, who is that?
A cherry.
Stitch with a cherry. Let me see. Whoa. He's cute. Can you smell him? These are so fragrant. You could smell it just from holding it.
Dada.
No, those were Daddy.
Dada.
All right, ready? Let's open it. Urgh. This one's always the hardest box to open. All right, we just don't need another chipmunk. What is it? What is it? What is it? Take it out. It's the other chipmunk. So we now have Chip and Dale. And there it is, our Disneyland Hall of Munchlings. We've got Stitch, Pooh Bear, Chip and Dale, Hades, and Maleficent.
Lot more family.